got some new services and features to make your Spoonflower experience better than ever. To make ordering your favorite Spoonflower fabric, wallpaper, and home decor products even easier, Spoonflower is now offering Afterpay. Our Afterpay service is a convenient and cost-effective way for you to buy now and pay later. The new Afterpay option, which is available at checkout on Spoonflower.com, allows you to have all the Spoonflower things as soon as your heart desires them, while budgeting your purchases across 4 payments. Because at Spoonflower, we know what it's like to want planes, trains, T-Rex, and pterodactyl wallpaper in your foyer right now. And that's not all. Spoonflower now also offers chat. Want to learn how to become a Spoonflower verified seller and upload your genius designs to sell on our marketplace? Need help deciding between corgis and lattes or underwater jellyfish wallpaper? Got questions about which size throw pillow will be best on your sofa? Chat us up. There's nothing our amazing customer service team can't answer, and they're really nice too. Oh, and be on the lookout for the soon-to-come Spoonflower text feature, so you won't miss any of our great promotions and exciting sneak peek surprises. More on that soon. So, to recap, Spoonflower now features Afterpay at checkout, so you can buy now, pay later, and enjoy more Spoonflower purchases each time you visit Spoonflower.com. Our new chat feature connects you with knowledgeable Spoonflower wizards who will bend over backward, they really do, I've seen it, to answer all of your questions in a timely manner. The new text feature is coming soon, offering you yet another opportunity to stay super plugged into all things Spoonflower, while you craftily plan your next Spoonflower-powered creative project that is sure to make all of your family and friends swoon. It's our pleasure and privilege to offer these new features to make every Spoonflower visit simple, fun, and informative. So come on over to Spoonflower.com and stay a while. Your creativity is welcome here.